2003 Chevy Silverado SS 6.0 liter beast. I think all of them should come 6.2, 6.0. No more 5.3s. They need to be bigger, louder, stronger, all that good stuff. Anyway, it's got factory converters there and there. He's still building it, guys, so comes true duals already from the factory on these. And it was a dual in, dual out muffler right there. We cut it off and put two MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS. One there and one there. Part numbers 104, 16. There'll be a link in the description for them for you guys if you want to put them on your truck. And then I got a 3.5-inch pipe, tailpipe, out the back into an oval tip. There it is. They come true dual, and then the tailpipe comes like that. So you'll need two of them to make it fit, so you don't have to add a Y pipe. The Y pipe is built into the tailpipe after, as you guys can see right there. They should have, GM should have true dualed it already. I don't know why they did that. But it's true dual, dual in, dual out muffler. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. As you guys can see, once he's done building it, he's going to true dual it. He's going to bring it back. Let you guys hear it in a second. Chevy SS 6.0. Nice. You can hear the cold air intake on it. Your sound decibels? 108. Not bad. That's a nice looking tip. I see why he didn't want to replace it yet. It looks good on that. It's different. He's still working on it, getting it fresh and clean. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside.